Fighting on the Thailand Cambodia border is ongoing and already affecting civilians. The key change is the use of rockets plus air and drone strikes alongside ground clashes. That combination raises the odds of rapid escalation, even as peace talks are being announced. Here's what we know. Heavy cross-border clashes continue along the border. Cambodian BM-21 rockets have struck Thai civilian areas. Air and drone strikes are also occurring. Displacement is high, and the civilian toll is mounting on both sides. What this likely means, assessed, is that the mix of rockets, air, and drone strikes increases the chance of miscalculation and retaliation that spreads faster than leaders can control. It also means travel and operations near the border face immediate disruption from strikes, evacuations, and sudden restrictions. And assessed, the peace talk announcement may not reduce near-term risk if tactical operations continue. A plausible alternative is that this remains a contained border flare-up and the talks reflect real intent to de-escalate. Who's exposed? Civilians, travelers, and staff near the border through indirect fire and air or drone strikes. Organizations that rely on cross-border movement through closures and rerouting, and employers with personnel in country through duty of care and reputational risk. What to do now? Travel security and the GSOC should pause border area travel and set exclusion zones to reduce exposure. Site security and HR should account for personnel and confirm backup communications to maintain contact amid displacement. Operations and supply chain should pre-approve reroutes and logistics contingencies to protect continuity if crossings close. The CSO and crisis lead should set clear triggers for evacuation or site suspension to enable fast decisions. And the intelligence team should clarify what the peace talks actually entail, who's involved, on what timeline, and what early milestones would signal real de-escalation. Watch for additional rocket impacts in civilian areas, especially farther from the border. Watch for increased tempo or expanded reach of air and drone strikes. Watch for border closures, curfews, or expanded evacuation orders. Watch for signs the peace talks are delayed, downgraded, or rejected. Watch for reinforcement movements or mobilization announcements, and watch for accelerating displacement and transport disruption. Overall confidence is medium. The core facts are clear, but the input lacks detail on specific locations, scale, and trajectory. Key gaps: which districts and transit routes are most affected, where displacement is moving, and whether the peace talks are producing near-term, verifiable steps. Bottom line, this is an active border conflict with rising civilian exposure. DRI will monitor for strike expansion, border access changes, and concrete de-escalation signals tied to the announced talks.